Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's video I'm gonna show you the intro tutorial on CapCut. So here I've already imported a clips, and then what you need to do next is copy it. I'm going to click on clips and click on copy, and then click on the first video, go to the first video, and then click on overlay like this, so that the first video become an overlay, and then click on the overlay video and make it smaller like this, and add a keyframe at the beginning, and then move forward and add another keyframe and make the video a little big like this, and then go in between the keyframes and then go to grabs, this one, and choose the ease out one, this one. Click on the check icon and then click on the main video, and then go to adjust, set the saturations into -50 and the contrast into 10 like this. Click on the check icon and next go to effects, choose video effects and find retro, this one, and then select glitch, find the glitch effects. Which one is it? Okay, this one, the glitch, and then click on adjust and set the speed into 60, around 60, and then the filter into 0, and also the range into 0. So you are done, and the video will look like this. Okay guys, so that's the intro tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you got any questions, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think the video is helpful, don't forget to click thanks, like and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in the following videos. Thank you.